So hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite girl, Miss BERIZZYs of BERIZZYs Closet. And if you don't know, BERIZZYs Closet is an online boutique that sells female clothes from a size small all the way up to a size 4XL. So please head on over there now and check me out, and I promise you I won't disappoint you, okay? Now let's get right into the video for today. So hey babes, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope the new year is treating you right, okay? So let me make sure you're looking good as much as you're feeling good. So today we're going to be doing a no makeup look. Yes, I said it, because listen, some days you just want that simple look that you're gonna walk right out of the house with. If you're running late for work and you don't want to have this imperfection on your face like I'm having right now, and with the age comes the acne and everything. So listen, sis, I got you, okay? So today I'm just going to show you guys my simple yet easy no makeup routine look. So babes, with makeup, the most important thing you want to do is also protect your skin from all this product that you're going to be adding. So I'm going to really emphasize that you do not forget your primer, your moisturizer, whatever barrier you're using on your face, and make sure it is not too oily. If not, it's going to make you look like shine baby. Don't want that. I'm just going to go in with this beautiful e.l.f. mist spray and spray my face. Next up, I'm adding this primer from the YC collection, Let Me First primer. Because I already added a lot of moisturizing products, because I didn't think I was going to do makeup today, I just don't want it to add too much to my face. Then I'm going to use a concealer that is very close to my skin tone. The reason you want to do this is so that, it doesn't look too much, because we're doing a no makeup look. A very neutral, simple nude look. So for foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation. This is the Conceal and Hydrate foundation with a radiance of hyaluronic acid. This is a medium to full coverage, so it's buildable. I'm going to apply a few pumps to my brush and just tap it on my face. You want the bare minimum. As you can see, I added just barely enough to cover my face. All the imperfections gone. I'm going to use this ColourPop concealer under my eyes, and today I'm not doing too much, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend this all in. Then I'm just gonna use the empty beauty blender and just add a little bit up here and then just a little bit down here. Next up, I'm going to be using my triangle puff and translucent powder. This is the Baker's Set powder and it is from Morphe. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and press it. Remember, we don't want to do too much. Now that my face is all set, because I'm not baking today, I'm just gonna go in with my contour. I'm only using powder contour because remember, we're in a rush. I'm gonna put it around the same places I will originally put my regular contour, and then I'll go into my nose and do the same. Now that I have my face all set, I'm gonna go into my eyes. I'm doing very minimal. Apply my skin tone concealer again, just a little. And then I'm just gonna push it all into my skin. I'm using my setting powder to set it. Now you can choose to either apply eyeshadow to it, or you can just leave it like this. For today, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Then I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place I'm going to be using the lighter shades to tap into where I already set, and then the darker shades for where I already contoured. Now that my face is completely dusted, I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail, the Morphe Continuous Setting Prep. Whilst my face is drying, I'm gonna go in again to my eyes and apply this eye pencil. And the same thing goes to the other side. Now that I line in my eyes, let's go with my mascara. Using this Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. It's very thick and creamy. This is to add volume to my eyes. Now that my face is all dry, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place blush. And this is the Rouge Blush Volume 6. It's more of an orange blush, and I'm gonna go with the brightest orange and just apply it to my cheeks. So next, I'm gonna go in with this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder that is a light catcher. Acts as a highlighter, so I love it. You do not want to put too much of this product on your face. Did you see that? A little goes a long way. I just blend it in. So finally, I'm gonna go into the lip, and I love to use my lip combo, which is this Juvia's Place lipstick, and in the shade Cocoa and Muted. I love the ombre lips, so I'm gonna go with the darker shade first outside. And then I'm gonna go in now with the lighter shade. Some days that I like to be a little extra, I also go ahead and add a little bit of my lip gloss. And voila! We are all done, guys. How did I do? See? It's barely even there. I'm not doing too much. I'm not the extra me. And I don't even have eyelashes on. The reason being, I don't have time for eyelashes in the morning when I'm rushing. So, yes. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. And guys, by the way, this look took me less than 30 minutes. I started at 1:30 and now it's 1:53. Even that was a little all over the place, but listen, this look, you can accomplish it in less than 10 minutes, okay? So I hope you like it. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, like, come on, do I have to tell you? Come on, sis. So please click on that subscribe button down below and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I post amazing content. And also let me know what else you want to see. My next makeup video is gonna be a little intermediate, so please learn, go over this again and again so you can learn to get to the next level with me. Until next time, I remain your favorite girl, Miss Berizzy. Bye bye.